Language learning made easy.
Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 12, the Summer Music Festival.
Hey, Steve. Have you heard about the music festival next summer? I read that it is going to have about 20 different bands playing in it.
I think I did hear someone talking about it. Are you planning on going?
I'll go if I can get tickets. I heard that people are going to line up overnight to get tickets. I might line up overnight too.
I don't think I want to line up all night long.
Well, I'm going to do it. I think it is going to be a great music festival that I won't want to miss.
Maybe. Do you know how much the tickets are going to cost?
I'm not sure, but I think each ticket will be about $75.
That's a lot of money. I don't think I want to spend that much on a ticket. Good luck anyway.
Vocabulary. Heard. Festival. Band. Ticket. Line up. Overnight. Miss. Thank you and goodbye.